this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Scrap Madness, a video day where Laura and I do one a day and we have a guest designer, and that is my sketch from the hip kit that I'm going to use. So I pretty much follow it, I would say 80% of the time for this sketch. It's pretty close to it. I actually found this on the website. I am a hip kit subscriber. I do get their monthly kits in, and I am using the Simple Stories blush collection for this particular layout. And I used this sketch from the hip kit because I happened to go back through the group page that they're on, or that they have, and be able to find sketches that way, and I save a lot of them to my little folder on my computer, and I kind of go through them as well. So I follow it for the most part. There's quite a bit of layering to this, a lot of mixed media, and I just add a little bits here and there once you see what I start to do. The guest designer today is, I gotta look at the date. What date is this for? The 21st. So our guest designer today is going to be Sandy. I don't know how to say her last name. I'm not even gonna try. But she is an amazing person. I met Sandy at the May retreat in 2018 that Heather put on, and we have just been friends throughout. You have seen me scrap a selfie that she took of me and her, essentially, with her favorite drink. It had my name on it. We've talked throughout. We've been on a couple of design teams together. We're actually on the same design team right now, which is the Maven, the Crafty Maven Getaway. And she's just got an amazing channel. She's about the same as I am. She's got a little bit more subscriber count than I do, but her and I has been about the same subscriber count for a while there, and then she's gotten on some bigger design teams, which is absolutely amazing. You will start to see her on the Paper House Productions team, and she's just got this style that I absolutely love. She's very carefree. She absolutely doesn't care what anybody thinks about her layout. She does her, or if you want to call it, she does what she wants, when she wants, and I just love that about her. And so you gotta go check her out. I will link her down below. I will link where I found this pin. I found the sketch in the design team, or not the design team, the group for Hip Kit, but I found the pin on Facebook as well in Pinterest for you, so I can give that to you there. So this is the second layout that I'm doing to finishing up my husband's promotion for when he went to Sergeant First Class. So the first layout that I did a couple days ago was my daughter pinning or putting the chest rank on. So what I'm doing in one of the photographs, I am fixing and slapping the rank on, because that's what you're supposed to do, and then I'm putting the hat on. And what I decided to do for this one is pretty much put them there, and I will do my journaling. I didn't do it on camera or off camera because I'm not sure where I want to put it and what I really want to say on it, other than I know that it's, you know, for rank and this, that, and the other. I'm just letting you know if there's a couple of brief pauses throughout. I was filming this while I was talking to Amy. We did a little bit of video chatting, and I absolutely love doing video chats and whatnot with all my scrappy friends, and just sit and film and do talking and being like, hey, does this look good? What do you think? I love doing that, even if I'm in the same room or if it's video chat on Facebook. And right there, see, that's what I was doing. I was showing it to her. And she was scrapping along as well, and I just love that. So I'm just placing everything down. I did change out a few things here and there and just kind of followed a bunch of little things. I did fussy cut off camera a bunch of butterflies that are from this collection as well. And I absolutely, truly love what this layout turned out afterwards. It's very butterflies and florals, and it's kind of like you're following the butterflies up to the photographs and then they're flying through. It's just absolutely gorgeous on how I finished it. For me, it's one of my better layouts that I've done so far for this. Well, I'll take that back. I love all of them, but you know what I mean, like to say that I love doing this. And I'm not even sure what was going on there, why I think I was talking to, and when I talk to my friends and I scrapbook at the same time, my hand gestures tend to show up. So I'm sorry about that if you see like, type movements and you're like, well, there's nothing wrong, because there really probably wasn't. It was what we were talking about. So this is where I put up all the butterflies, so you can see that they've kind of just follow the flowers up to the photographs and kind of finish out. I do off cameras black splatters from Shimmer's Paints, which is tartar, and I get out a sequence mix that you will see me use at the end, and I finished it out, and they're from the Spiegel Mom Scraps, one of their collections. At this point, with all the voiceovers that I've been doing, I just haven't been keeping up with the names that I've been using for all of my collections, whether it's the enamel dots or the sequence mix. At this point, I'm like, is it the 1st of April yet? Because I'm ready to be done. I love doing videos a day. I love coming on here and showing you all. But at the same time, I'm like, is it done yet? Now I'm like excited in the beginning. In the middle, I'm good. Now I'm getting to the point where we're hitting the 21st, the 22nd, and I'm like, ooh, I can count down. And I'm just placing down the butterflies. I give them a bunch of dimensions. All of the still shots will be at the end with all of the little bits of sequence mixes that I use with some of the splattering that you will see in the still shots. And also I will link everybody down below, so make sure that you go check out Laura's and Sandy's channel, and then also check out the Hip Kit. You do not have to be a subscriber to be in their group. I post in there all the time, showing my layouts, what I've done with their sketches, and they do a weekly sketch. And by all means, I am not a design team member or any of that sort for the Hip Kit. I just love their stuff. I just absolutely love it. They're one of the kits that I always go back to and I'm constantly ordering. And I've done their subscriber count as a subscriber for a long time. And then I quit for a little bit to see what else is out there, and I've come back. You know, so I absolutely love what theirs is all about. So, yeah. Now I'm just finishing up with the stickers. I'm just placing down little stickers. There's some hearts in there that I place, some extra flowers. I add this signage that I cut out that you see is, it says focus on the important stuff, and that's what that is. And then I also put down hello beautiful. I know, really beautiful, you probably wouldn't call your husband beautiful, but you know, it's a beautiful moment. It's an awesome moment, and honestly I didn't care. It was a banner and it fit, so this saying really didn't mean much of anything at this point. And I'm just placing little things here and there. I'm just trying to find what would work, and I'm just kind of dinking around. I pretty much killed this kit. There isn't much left, so this will be one of the sets that I will place into my takeaway pile that I will have at the retreat that I'm going to in May. They have a giveaway table, and so I just place everything there, and whatever I feel that I know I'm not going to use, I just pass it on because I know somebody will take it. And let's see here, I'm just placing a bunch of little doodads, and pretty much this layout is pretty well done. This, considering that I was talking to Amy, we talked for 30 minutes or so is what my counter, it was like 31 minutes. So that isn't bad. I was talking and scrapping at the same time. I thought that was pretty good. And considering how heavy embellished this is, because you know it's me and I have to have just heavy stuff, it works perfect for me. So here's the hello beautiful that I placed. I moved this black sticker somewhere else just to kind of place them wherever. Actually it says love it is what it is. So I get it kind of tucked in there. I move that butterfly and I get it moved up just a tad, and I place it down and call it a day. And The still shots will be coming up, and this is pretty much done. And I will talk to you soon, or actually tomorrow. Bye!